Alright, cool. Hey, so we are gonna make it out today for another ride on the bicycle today. I'm gonna try to shoot for 10 miles today. I got the upgraded seat. I got the front bag holder for headphones, wallet, anything, 2 bottles of water. I got my aftermarket pegs on, foot pedals on with the little spikes on there to keep your foot planted. Tool bag on the back, lights on front and back. We actually got the padded seats now. We padded our shorts. Padded seat. I think, and I put some orange in the spokes. There's a lot of traffic out here today. And it's real windy. It says it's supposed to rain today, but we're gonna try to get this in, second ride. Alright. Everything's starting off good now. Seat feeling better. Yeah, better slow down, them boys out already. Alright, so honestly, I feel like I'm on the wrong bike. I should have pulled the motorcycle out today. This first hill right here kicking my butt already, but we ain't quitting. Yo, not too bad today. We did push in over 10 miles today. Took a long time, but we got it in. And go fooling with these heels and stuff. But yeah. Good job, Hoop. Ooh. All right, till the next ride. We got it in. Ain't really much to say. We got it in. We got it in past 10 miles on the second ride. I don't know what we shooting for next time. I'm gonna post it on the thing. I screenshot, see what I really did all the way though.